Hey y'all, welcome to yet another hair review. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got these beautiful crimps on this unit by Yolova Hair. And I'm going to give y'all a little bit of tea on the hair and how I felt about the hair and all that good stuff. So yeah, just stay tuned if you are interested to see how I got this look. I love this filter. Hello, it's giving jet black, and I did not dye this hair jet black at all. But yeah, I'm basically just going to be getting into the video right about now. So if you are interested, just keep watching and stay tuned to see how I got this look. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with another wig review. This one is by Yolova Hair. This video is not sponsored, so I'm just showing y'all what I use to do my bar cap per usual. It's getting pretty repetitive, y'all. Super easy and self-explanatory at this point. I'm still trying to think like how I want to go about my hair reviews and how I want to integrate them on my channel. If I want to just keep doing the dedicated videos, or like what I want to do with that. Because I don't know, y'all. Sometimes it get boring. Like doing the voiceover for these types of videos. But your girl ain't mad though. Like, and don't mind my freaking smoke detector thing keep beeping in the back if y'all can hear that. But anyways, I'm going on my first layer of glue. I do always use the Boho active glue to lay my wig down, and yeah, I'm just smoothing that out. As far as this wig, this is a 13x4 HD lace wig, and this is in 180% density. So yeah, that's the wig details. I'll have everything in the description box down below, and I'll give you all more details as we go along with this install. I think I did about 3 layers on this wig. Yeah, I think I did like 3 layers. So yeah, I'm just using a popsicle stick to smooth that out. Of course, letting it dry in between each layer.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else, you're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you.
So after that third layer is dry, or not really, because y'all know I honestly don't be fully waiting until it turns clear most of the time. But I'm just laying the lace down. This was actually a fairly light lace. I don't know how I feel about that, but yeah, it was kind of light. I just used my makeup. It was whatever. By the way, I don't think I mentioned the texture of this hair. This was a body wave unit. I did, of course, bleach the knots, all that good stuff, wash it, pluck it. So yeah, now I'm just tying the lace down for a little bit with the elastic band, and I'm just combing that hair back. I think I was debating on what part I wanted to do, but I ended up going with the middle part. So yeah, I'm taking that off. Sometimes I be forgetting to cut my ear tabs off ahead of time, so it's whatever. It ain't the end of the world if you forget, but I do like to cut them before I actually lay the wig down and everything. But y'all just see I'm going in with some scissors, and I'm just cutting those off now. Now I'm just getting the lace ready to be cut off with the razor. So I think before that I was adding some more glue, but I guess I decided to do that afterwards when I seen, in some parts wherever I missed the glue. So yeah, I'm just going in with a straight razor, like an eyebrow one or whatever. And I'm going ahead and cutting the lace off, and I'm also going to be going in with these little manicure scissors. And then I will go in and add and just, perfect the install as I go. So I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I wasn't a huge fan of the lace on this wig. It was whatever. It was okay. And then the wig itself as well, I would say the same exact thing. It was okay. It's a decent wig. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't recommend at least this length for the price, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just keeping it real with y'all. If I was in y'all position and I was thinking like or debating on whether I should buy this wig or not, I would buy the wig. I just wouldn't buy it in the length that I have it in, because the longer the length, the more expensive the wig is. And I honestly don't feel like this wig was worth the amount of money. And that's just the honest tea on the unit. I did wear this wig for like over a week maybe. And yeah, it's okay. You know, your girl can finesse with it, but I don't want my viewers to have to finesse anything that they done spent $5,000 on. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'll say about that. I mean, the website and everything says that the hair is HD, or the lace was HD. As far as that, like I said, I wasn't a huge fan of the lace. I felt like it could have melted way better with my skin tone. You could kind of tell a good lace by how it lays on your head before you even go to just, fully lay it down. And I didn't get that melted effect before I laid it down. I really had to go to work with the lace just to make sure that it blended. So yeah, y'all just trust the process. The install came out good. That's all that matters. But yeah, as far as the actual wig and lace itself, those are my opinions and details on that. So y'all just see that I parted the baby hair out, and I'm just doing the rest of the install. Nothing too crazy. Combing out that extra got to be glue spray that I sprayed on there before I laid the band down again. And now I'm just going ahead and cutting them. And yeah, y'all, this part is definitely something that y'all can just watch. If you've been on here for a little while and you watch my hair videos, I do the same exact thing, literally. Like, I may tweak things here and there, but for the most part, I do the same exact thing every time I go to install a wig. So yeah.
Then dip me underway. Fill my cup, flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
I'm ready to start styling the hair. Y'all, this install, it was okay. Like literally my hot comb broke. That's why I'm saying what I'm saying right now. Literally I was about to go to use my hot comb and I just noticed that it was not heated up, but it's okay because your girl bought a new one on Amazon. So that is what I'll be using moving forward for my installs. But yeah, y'all just seen me use a Chi heat protecting spray, and I also went ahead and used a little bit of my bio silk, and now I'm just going ahead and crimping the hair. Alright y'all, so this is what the hair turned out looking like. I'm using my Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray and spraying that all through the crimps just so they can hold. And yeah, this is what the hair was given. I brushed through it a little bit. It was very, very full. I will say that. I love the density of the hair. Love the length and everything. Overall, I was not mad at the hair itself. I just do feel like for the money, I wouldn't pay this for this specific unit right here. Not $5,000. But yeah, I definitely do recommend y'all to go check out the other lanes and their other units on our site. Right now, I'm just kind of going through and doing last minute finishing touches with the part and everything. But yeah, y'all, that's basically this install. Nothing much to it. Y'all see me improvising because I told y'all my hot comb broke. But yeah, that is basically it for this install. Make sure y'all check out the links down below, and if you are interested, and I will see y'all in the next video.